We just parked now in an open parking area. So this is more of a wharf. We saw online this is one of the best na mga photos by travelers. So right now we're in the island of Miyagi. Just few minutes from drive from yung uh, the northernmost island of northernmost island of Ike. So you have mga tourists here taking photos, relaxing. So going right doon, makita mo yung road na yan. That's going island of Ike. Ito naman is island of Miyagi. Remember Karate Kid? Mr. Miyagi? No? He's from here. Ganda, no? What I like about Japan, ang dami niyang destinations. And most of the destinations are free. Malinis siya, no? Very courteous yung culture, good food. Destinations spectacular. Then of course for mga Filipinos, temperate uh, climate. Somebody is taking kon dito, mga picture, no? Our last day, dami kami napuntahan, no? It's a must recommended destination yung Okinawa. Kung nagsawa na kayo sa mga Osaka, Tokyo, go here. We're given parang practically free counted fare by Japan Airlines.